श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः। हरि ओम। ओम निधाय हृदि विश्वेशं विधाय गुरुवंदनं बालानां सुखबोधाय क्रियते तर्कसंग्रहः. So what we are seeing is the explanation for Samavai Karana. Among the Karanas there are three types of Karana. Karana, Visa, Samavai, Asamavai, Nimitta. These are three types of causes: Samavai Karana, Asamavai Karana, and the Nimitta Karana. Okay. So among this, we are seeing Samavai Karana. Samavai Karana, for all this common definition is a Karya Nirupita Karana. That which is proven through Karya is Karana. That which is established through Karya is Karana. Karya Nirupita Karana is a common general formula for all this. This is the definition for all this. Karya Nirupita Karana. Or we can say Karyata Nirupita Karanata. Karyata Nirupita Karanata. Here we have two adjectivieds attributed. One is Karyata, the other is Karanata. Okay? They are adjectified or attributed. This will have normally two attributes, adjuncts. The attributes are generally for this kind of thing, it is adjuncts, the limiting adjunct, which we say as a here, not Upadhi. Here for us the limiting adjunct is a Avachedaka. So any Visheshya will have two Avachedaka. Any Visheshya will have two Avachedaka or two Avachinna for a Visheshya. How? One is a Dharma, the other is a Sambandha. There is first one Avachedaka, Dharma Avachedaka, there is Sambandha Avachedaka. You can say Dharma Avachinna Visheshya, Sambandha Avachinna Visheshya, or Dharma Avachedaka Visheshya of Visheshya, Sambandha Avachedaka of Visheshya. For Visheshya, Avachedaka, Dharma Avachedaka is a Visheshyatva. For Visheshya, Dharma Avachedaka is a Visheshyatva. For Visheshya, Sambandha Avachedaka can be anything. Samavai Sambandha Avachedaka, Sanyoga Sambandha Avachedaka, Tadatmya Sambandha Avachedaka. It can be anything. It need not be simple Sambandha itself. It can also be complex Sambandha. Samaveta Samavaya, Sanyukta Samaveta Samavaya, etc. All these complex Sambandhas can also be possible. So Visheshya will have two Avachedakas, two limiting adjuncts. One is a differentiating factor. You can also call us differentiating factor. It can have two limiting adjuncts or differentiating factor. One is a Dharma, the other is Sambandha. Okay? Now have this in mind. This is the basic knowledge. Without this knowledge, no definition, proper logic, using logical language, you cannot define anything. Without this knowledge. So we have basically Karyata Nirupita Karanata. We basically have Karyata Nirupita Karanata. Okay. So Kapala, we will have it with an example. Kapala is the Karana. Ghata is the Karya. Okay, kapala is the karya or tantu pata. Okay, karna can be kapala, karna can be tantu, karya can be ghata or karya can be pata. Okay, now karyata, nirupita, karanata. Karyata, nirupita, karanata. This we have to understand. He is giving the definition. सामान्य लक्षणंतु समवाय संबंधावच्छिन्न कार्यता निरूपित तादात्म्य संबंधावच्छिन्न कारणत्वं समवाय कारणत्वम् इति. This is the generic definition for samvaya. This is the general definition for samvaya sambandha. This is how it is. Karyata, karyata nirupita karanata. Karyata he is giving us a samavaya sambandhavachinna. Samaya sambandha avachina karyata nirupita. Through it, what do we establish? Karanata. Through that you establish karanata. What is this karanata? Tadatmya sambandha avachina. समवाय संबंधावच्छिन्न कार्यता निरूपित तादात्म्य संबंधावच्छिन्न कारणता. We have समवाय संबंधा, Samaya sambandhavachinna. This is sambandha. There is another dharma also. So I am giving Samaya sambandhavachinna karyata nirupita karanata. What is karanata? Tadatmya sambandhavachinna. तादात्म्य संबंधावच्छिन्न कारणता. Okay, this is the general definition. Okay, we have two causes and two effects. First cause is a kapala. The effect for kapala is a ghatatva. Ghata. For kapala, ghata is the cause. Okay, effect. Okay, ghata, ghata karyata, ghata rupa karyata is a samvaya sambandhavachinna. In Ghata Rupa Karyata, what is the dharma? What is the dharma for Ghata? Avachyadaka, dharma avachyadaka. For Ghata, Ghatatva. Okay. Samvaya sambandhavachinna, Ghatatva avachinna Karyata, Samvaya sambandhavachinna, Ghatatva avachinna, Ghatatva avachinna Karyata, and Karna for that is a Ghata is a Kapala. So Kapala Tadatmya Sambandha and Kapalatva. Kapalatva is its avachana. See, Kapalatva exists in Kapala in Samvaya Sambandha, but Kapalatva exists in Karna in Tadatmya Sambandha. Kapala exists in Kapala in Tadatmya Sambandha. Okay, तादात्म्य संबंधावच्छिन्न कपालत्वावच्छिन्न कारणता. समवाय संबंधावच्छिन्न धर्म घटत्वावच्छिन्न कार्यता निरूपित तादात्म्य संबंधावच्छिन्न कपालत्वावच्छिन्न कारणता. That is what he is explaining. This is samaya sambandha. Samaya sambandhena ghata adhikarane kapalado. Samaya sambandhena ghata adhikarane kapalado. In the cause, that which is existing, kapaladehe, in kapala tadatmya sambandhena eva satva. In kapala, the kapala exists in tadatmya sambandha. Kapala exists in samaya sambandha in ghata. Kapala exists in tadatmya sambandha in kapala. In its own, it will be tadatmya sambandha. In something else, if it is separable relationship, it is called sanyoga sambandha. If it is non-separable relationship, it is called samavaya sambandha. Sanyoga sambandha and samavaya sambandha. See, this makes a big difference. You change the sambandha, it makes a big difference. You change the avachedaka, dharma avachedaka, it makes a huge difference. Okay, so sambandha, simply by changing the sambandha, the logicians play like this. Pot, you have, I am drawing a pot. Pot exists on the ground. I am drawing a pot on the ground. Does the pot exist in the ground or not? You will say yes. The logician will say no. See, between the pot and the ground, the relationship is separable relationship, sanyoga sambandha. So, sanyoga sambandhena ghato bhutale vartate, samavaya sambandhena nasti. Sanyoga sambandhena asti, samavaya sambandhena, inseparable relationship does not exist. Inseparable relationship exists. So, a relationship can change many things. So, that is why he says, samavaya sambandhena ghatattvavachchinna karyata nirupita tadatma sambandhavachchinna ghatattvavachchinna karanata. Okay? In kapala, kapalatva exists in samavaya sambandha. Kapala, in kapala exists in tadatma sambandha. Kapala in kapala exists in tadatma sambandha. Kapala in ghata exists in samavaya sambandha. Kapalatva in kapala exists in kapalatva in kapala, it exists in samavaya sambandha. See, these kind of sambandhas we have seen in many things. See, this is ghata. Ghata is what is kapala? These two portions of pot is called as kapala. The top portion and bottom portion. Kapala dvaya sanyoga. These two, when it's joined together, you get kapala, ghata. Okay? Kapala, in kapala, kapalatva exists in samavaya sambandha. Kapalatva exists in kapala in samavaya sambandha. Kapalatva avachinna, samavaya sambandha avachinna kapalam. Okay? Ghatattvavachchinna, samavaya sambandhavachchinna ghatam. Ghata exists in samavaya sambandhena ghata. Okay? But kapalatva in ghata, it does not exist in samavaya sambandha, it does not exist in sanyoga sambandha. It exists in samaveta samavaya. Kapalatva exists in kapala in samavaya sambandha. Kapala exists in ghata in samavaya sambandha. Kapala in ghata samavaya sambandha. Kapala in kapalatva samavaya sambandha. Samavaya samavaya, samaveta samavaya we call it. Okay? So this is how they explain. Therefore, samavayena samavaya sambandhavachchinna ghatattvavachchinna karyata nirupita tadatmya sambandhavachchinna kapalattvavachchinna karanatayaha kapaladau sattvat. Kapala in kapala, samavaya sambandha in samavaya sambandha, ghatatva exists in kapala. Kapala, kapalatva and kapalatva exists in tadatma sambandhena kapalam exists and kapalatva exists also in kapala. Therefore, kapala is the cause for ghata. Okay, that is why. Or if you want to say patatva, pata, I will have to say samaya sambandhavachina padattvavachina karyata nirupita tadatmya sambandhavachina instead of kapalata tantutva. I will have to say tantutva. Samaya sambandhavachina padattvavachina karyata nirupita tadatmya sambandhavachina tantuttvavachina karanata. Tantu, in tantushu satvat, in tantu it exists. Therefore tantu is samvaya karana for, that is why it says tantava patasya. Tantu is samvaya karana for pata. Just change this, that's all. Samavayena janya bhavattvavacchinnam prati तादात्म्य संबंधेन द्रव्यस्यैव कारणत्वात् जन्य भावेषु द्रव्य गुण कर्म सूत्रेषु द्रव्यमेव समवाय कारणम्. समवायेन जन्य भावत्वावच्छिन्नं प्रति, whatever is going to be created in samvaya sambandha, for all that dravya, some other dravya will be the cause. Therefore for dravya, for guna, for kriya, the cause is samvaya karana is a dravya only. For dravya, guna and kriya, the cause is dravya. Samvaya karana is a dravya. Okay? So dravya is the common samvaya cause for dravya, guna and karma. But for the dravya, that is why he says dravye tu dravya avayavaha samvaya karanam. In dravya, dravya avayava is the samvaya karana. For the dravya, dravya is the karana. In the dravya, dravya avayava is the karana. Okay? Avayava means parts. The limbs of the dravya is the samvaya karana for dravya. In the dravya. Atah gunattvadau dravyameva samvaya karanamiti ashenah. Therefore, in guna, karma, etc., dravya is the samvaya karana. To say that patascha swagata rupadehe samvaya karanamiti anushujyate. Patah स्वगत रूपादेः समवाय कारणम. पटः कार्यम, स्वगत रूपम पटगत रूपम पटरूपम समवाय कारणम. So pata here tantutva, instead of tantutva I will say patarupa, patarupatva. So समवाय संबंधावच्छिन्न पटत्वावच्छिन्न कारिता निरूपिता तादात्म्य संबंधावच्छिन्न पटरूपत्वावच्छिन्न कारणता is a samvaya karanam. This is how they explain. Samvaya karanam we have seen. We will see the asamvaya karanam. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.